Hi everyone and welcome back to the Phonemos channel. In this video we are revisiting the topic of metadata to dive deeper into some exciting new features that have been added recently. If you haven't seen our previous video on metadata, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out first. What's new in metadata? In this update we are focusing on three key improvements. First, page information on top of Phonemos pages, as you can see here. Then we'll explain the metadata fields in general. And last but not least, we'll explain the arithmetic calculations within metadata tables. But first, let's explain what meta fields exactly are. This feature allows you to set the metadata field values directly within your Phonemos pages. Instead of having to click on the metadata symbol and setting your metadata fields, you can do it comfortably within your Phonemos page. So let's see how to configure the metadata fields on top of Phonemos pages. For this, you just click here on the cogwheel of your Phonemos topic, and then you go to configure page info. And here you can set a custom text, like for example, status. And to set your metadata field, you just click here on the brackets to insert the variable, and then you can choose status. Let's do it with one example of CV owner. And I click here on the brackets, CV owner, and now you have the metadata field of CV owner configured on top of your Phonemos page. Let's see this, how this looks like. So here the status hasn't been set for this Phonemos page. Let's do this really quick. So let's say, for example, this Phonemos page is published. Click on published, and the CV owner should be Mario Siegenthaler instead of me. And now you can see when you click here on the metadata fields that the CV owner has been changed here. We can also take it away, and then you see it's unselected here, and here you see the workflow status. Let's go to the next topic, which is metadata fields within Phonemos pages. So we click here on this example page. Here you can see I created a table which serves as an employee fill-out form. And here already some metadata fields have been included within this page. So for example, here has been included a CV owner page, so a user. Here the years of working experience as a numerical value field has been included. And here the IT skills. I show you, for example, how to set this up, that you can choose the IT skills here. So whenever you want to include a metadata field on your Phonemos page, you just click the plus sign to add a macro, and then you add the metadata field macro. Here you can choose your metadata field that you want to include. Let's say, for example, IT skills, and then you just confirm it here, and then you can choose the IT skill that this new employee has. Let's say, for example, this is a Java specialist, and now it has been updated. Then you click on save, and here you can see that the IT skills have been changed. So here you can just click on click French away. Then the new employee only speaks German and English. The last topic which we show for today are arithmetic calculations in metadata tables. This powerful new feature lets you perform calculations on the values within your metadata tables. This could be something simple, like adding two numbers together, or more complex, like calculating the average years of working experience of your employees. To use this feature, you can turn it off here by clicking on the sum sign, and then you see there's a new line below the metadata table. So let's say, for example, you want to add all the years of working experience. You can just click here on the sum symbol and then toggle on sum. Or you want to have the mean average value, then you click on mean. Or you want to count how many values there are. Apart from the arithmetic calculations, there's also another feature which makes it easier to handle metadata tables. So for example, you can just drag and drop your columns here and arrange them in the way you like. You can also sort them. For example, sort them by years of working experience ascending. So then you can see which employee has more working experience or less. There are various sorting and grouping and pinning options so that you can customize the table in any way you like. You can also click here to show all columns. And if you don't want to have all the columns, you can just click here on this table symbol and unselect the columns that you don't need anymore. Like this. If you click here on the magnifying glass, you can see an overview of all the metadata fields. With the arrow left and right, you can switch to the next Phonemos page, and that brings us to the end of this Phonemos tutorial. To summarize, metadata fields, arithmetic calculations, and the improved metadata tables are powerful new features that can help you organize, search, and report on your Phonemos content more effectively. By taking advantage of these features, you can use metadata more efficiently. If you have any questions about metadata fields or arithmetic calculations, be sure to leave a comment below or contact us at linkyard.ch. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Phonemos tips and tricks. See you in the next video.